New restrictions in Port Isabel tonight to fight the spread of COVID-19, and they're some of the strictest in the valley. CBS 4's Mike Jimenez is live in Port Isabel, where those rules took effect just an hour ago. Mike.
Good evening, everyone. Now, this is an area that is normally bustling with traffic, but as you can see behind me, there are very few cars on the roadways, and it's been like that throughout the day as Port Isabel officials have put tighter restrictions on who can be out and about. Beginning at 5 p.m. Thursday evening, the city of Port Isabel is placing tighter restrictions in an attempt to keep more residents at home.
You know, over the past few weeks, we've been slowly ramping up these protections, and so this is just the latest step that we've taken, and we're going to continue ramping up these restrictions until the public is safe from this virus.
Some of the new restrictions include prohibiting new short-term rental agreements, restricting no more than 2 people on the roadway or in the waterways. Minors under 14 will not be allowed in grocery stores, boat ramps closed to the general public, and fishing, while not prohibited, they still must follow transportation guidelines. City officials say the new guidelines will minimize the amount of people out in the streets and will cut down residents' risk of exposure. Most of the residents we spoke with were in support of the new restrictions.
This is the new normal. We don't like this, we didn't expect this, but it's something that we have to do. So I support regulations that are trying to keep us safe.
While some residents disagree.
I work as a mom, and my husband's a stay-at-home dad, and we've got 3 children. So if he's got to go pick up lunch for the kids, there's no one to watch them. Or if he's got to go to the grocery store because they need milk or eggs, there's no one to watch them. So he's got to take them with him.
And with the number of COVID cases rising quickly, city officials say they must also take swift measures to stop the spread of the disease.
And if we all stay home, if we all limit our contact, we can do this. We can stop the spread of this disease. We can prevent people from becoming ill and save lives.
Now, those new guidelines are now in full effect, and city officials say they will be enforcing them, and police have begun issuing out citations. Reporting live in Port Isabel with complete Valley coverage, I'm Mike Jimenez, CBS Valley 4 at 6.